So first we need to char the poblanos. I'm doing it over a gas flame, but you can opt to do it over the grill or even under the broiler. Once they're totally blackened, place them in a bowl, cover that and set it aside. In the meantime, dice up a medium onion, thinly slice a few scallions, and mince up some fresh cilantro. Then remove the kernels from about 2 ears of corn or use about 1 cup of frozen. Next, saute the onion in a little bit of oil and salt, add in the rice and stir to coat. Pour in 2 cups of either chicken stock or water and cover and cook for about 10 minutes or until tender. While that cooks, gently remove the blackened skins from the poblanos and use a knife to scrape out the seeds, then chop them up into little pieces. When the rice is done, add in the corn, some Mexican crema or sour cream, lots of Monterey Jack cheese, the chopped poblanos, and about half the scallions, and mix that all together and season it well with salt. Spread that out into a casserole dish, top with lots more cheese, and bake it up at 375 degrees for approximately 30 minutes or until it's bubbly and browned around the edges. When it's out of the oven, you can top it with more scallions and cilantro and serve it up hot. Let's dig in. Super hot.